Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. I already primed my eyes and I did my eyebrows with Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow in number 3. For this everyday look, I'm using Iconic London's Day to Slay palette and I'm going in with the first shade, is Taupe de Taupe. Taking that shade on a BH Cosmetics blending brush, I'm just going in circular motions, working this color into the crease. The next shade I'm going in with is Champagne Chic and I'm just gonna tap this all over my eyelid using my fingertip, making sure it is evenly distributed. I'm picking up that same shade and just blending out the Champagne Chic. This is on a Morphe R37 brush. For primer, I'm going in with Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer and just rubbing this into my skin. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Glow in the shade Buff Beige onto a beauty blender and just buffing that into my skin. The concealer I'm using today is Morphe's Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C165. Making a cute little heart, she's being cute today, and I'm going to use a beauty blender to buff this into the skin as well. Now I'm taking Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Setting Powder and just putting this all over my face. On a Morphe M5105. Typical MUA girl problems, having a lash on my beauty blender. Moving on to bronzer, I am using Morphe's Highlight and Contour Palette 8L. Using the shades Enemy and Debutante, I'm just placing this all around the perimeters of my face. For blush, I went in with Becca x Chrissy Teigen's Hibiscus Bloom Blush, tapping this all over my cheekbones. Going back in with Taupe de Taupe, I'm going to go ahead and work on the lower lash line. I'm just placing this into the waterline and buffing it out. Keeping this look light today, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and use Lily Lashes mascara and just coat this all over my natural lashes. Don't mind my crazy mascara face. I guess there's no cute way to put mascara on. Going back in with that same highlight and contour palette, I'm picking up the shade Lit on a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush and placing this on the high points of my face. For the lips today, I'm going in with NYX's Butter Gloss in the shade Vanilla Cream Pie. And this lip gloss, you guys, really does smell like vanilla cream pie. Okay guys, and this look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.